And Lok Sabha Speaker Sumitra Mahajan is addressing the 28th Accountants General Conference organized by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India. Let's go in there live now.
Of the Constitution of India. He is the one man who is going to see that expenses voted by Parliament are not exceeded or varied from what has been laid down by Parliament in what is called with Appropriation Act. If this functionary is to carry out the duties and his duties, I submit, are far more important than the duties of the judiciary. And Parliament's oversight functions depend largely upon the efficacy and independence of the audit reports. Citizens or their representatives can use these reports and pose questions to the executive and hold the public servants accountable. It is not only important that these audit reports are submitted, but equally important is suitable corrective actions by the governments to ensure that anomalies pointed out are not only rectified, but it also leads to improved and better administrative practices. Follow-up audit can be a good tool to ensure this. While the audit reports highlight non-compliance, it is also incumbent upon auditors to identify and highlight best practices and notable innovations or achievements of the government, departments and institutions to make a positive and wider impact on innovation and reforms. In today's world, technological revolution is taking place and technology is shaping every aspect of our life. Massive transformation is taking place in the way commercial enterprises are using new emerging technologies and now conducting their business. For example, e-commerce, e-procurement or e-tendering, etc. Governance and administrative machinery cannot remain isolated from the effects of changes taking place around the globe. Technology also enables us to bring greater transparency and integrity to the system. This also calls for the Comptroller and Auditor General of India to change accordingly. They need to impart training and skills to their officials to keep abreast of the technological and other developments taking place in the world. Make optimum use of best technological tools to reflect the contemporary realities, revisit the traditional methods of audit, and redraw the standard operating procedures if necessary.